Are you confused between adverbs of manner, place, time and frequency? After watching this video, you will never mix them up again. Hi, I am Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Please subscribe our channel and watch this video till the end to understand clearly. Adverbs are words that modify verbs or adjectives or other adverbs by answering questions like how, when, where, why, or to what extent. They add critical context and descriptive detail to your sentences. Here is a breakdown of the primary types of adverbs. Number one is adverbs of manner. It explains how an action is performed. Most of this end in ly, but remember, not all. Example, quickly, gently, beautifully, well. Adverbs of time. Number two, specify when an action occurs or for how long. Example, yesterday, now, always, permanently. Adverbs of place describe where an action happens. Example, here, outside, upstairs, everywhere. Third, adverbs of frequency. It tells us how often an action takes place. Example, always, usually, rarely, never. Adverbs of degree. It indicates the intensity, extent, or level of an action or quality. Examples, very, extremely, quite, entirely. And adverbs of purpose. It explains why something happens or reason behind an action. Example, therefore, consequently, so. Okay, conjunctive adverbs connect independent clauses or sentences and show a relationship like contrast, sequence or cause. Example, however, furthermore, nevertheless, meanwhile. And interrogative adverbs. It is used to ask questions, usually placed at the beginning of a sentence. Example, how, when, where, why. Thank you.